Hello guys, everyone. Gadget Pro. Oh, wait, do not buy your next phone yet. Because Samsung just dropped something that literally feels like it come into round 30. This is the Samsung Galaxy XR. And this might be first phone that actually makes you question. Alright, let's break it this down. Simple, zero confusion. I will tell you what's new, what's hap, and if it is worth your money, we will keep it super real, what's good, so what not, and who should actually buy it. And don't skip this video till the end. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's go. This new display isn't just OLED. This is Samsung's extended reality panel. That means it can show real depth shadows and spatial detail like a VR headset. But on a regular phone screen, good comparison. iPhone 16 Pro for best color accuracy. Galaxy XR rocks so the image is popping out of the glass. It's wild. Snapdragon 8 Hz, zero lag, zero match. Gaming editing XR app. This thing shows all of it. This chip built for heavy app like real-time background removal in video. And instant voice translation. iPhone 18 Pro still wins single core, but Galaxy XR wins in AI speed. And XR rendering. This is the phone for college students. You will look or productivity gaming. Spatial camera. Your XR is now a 3D camera. This is the first Samsung phone where the secondary camera is telephoto. Its depth mapping lets meaning. Your phone plus video can be recorded in 3D. That is really TikTok Insta in 3D feature mode. Imagine recording a graduation birthday concert and later watching it in 3D on a headset. Apple which started this idea. Samsung XR makes it smart from Galaxy XR mode your phone become a floating desktop. Put the phone on a stand, pair it with the keyboard, set a laptop. Your apps open as floating windows in your face. No XR needed. The phone itself handle spatial UI. This is where younger US professional gets the most value. Email in one floating window. Notion notes to the right. Spotify floating below. Browsing floating on top. This is the first time a phone feels like a personal workstation. Samsung added a vapor chamber that's 30% larger, meaning heavy apps don't cook your hand. Battery will easily hit 1 day for heavy users, 1.5 day for normal users. Fast charging is basically unchanged around 45 watt. Samsung Galaxy XR is for people who want type of user. Why XR PT them? Student in the US. XR mode, laptop replacement for class not researchable, gives electric plus XR display, immersive gaming professional floating windows, desktop freedom anywhere. So is it worth the buying? If you want the next evolution for not just a small upgrade, this is the one worth saving for. Alright, real question. Would you pick the Samsung Galaxy XR or would you rather stick with the iPhone 16 Pro? Tell me in the comments which one would you choose and why. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like and if you want more gadget review update to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more on gadget videos.